Welcome to an extraordinary journey into the wild. Today, we're uncovering the astonishing abilities of animals that defy death itself, showcasing their incredible survival and regeneration powers. From the indestructible cockroach to the immortal jellyfish, prepare to be amazed by nature's most resilient creatures and their remarkable stories. Number 1. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are famously resilient, capable of surviving for several days to weeks without their heads. This remarkable survival ability is due to their unique physiology. Cockroaches breathe through spiracles, small openings located along their body segments, allowing them to take in oxygen without relying on their heads. Their open circulatory system, which does not depend on a central pump like a heart, minimizes blood loss when the head is severed. However, while they can continue to move and function, headless cockroaches eventually succumb to dehydration or starvation. Without their heads, they cannot drink water or consume food, leading to their inevitable demise. This combination of an efficient respiratory system and minimal blood loss highlights the cockroach's incredible adaptability, though it ultimately cannot compensate for the inability to intake the necessary sustenance. Number 2. Planarians. Planarians, or flatworms, possess extraordinary regenerative abilities, enabling them to survive severe injuries by regenerating entire bodies from small fragments. This remarkable trait is attributed to a high concentration of pluripotent stem cells known as neoblasts, which can differentiate into any cell type needed for regeneration. When a planarian is cut into pieces, each fragment can regenerate into a complete, fully functional organism. This process involves complex signaling pathways that guide the cells to form the appropriate structures in the right places, ensuring the proper reformation of tissues and organs. The regenerative capacity of planarians not only fascinates scientists, but also offers valuable insights into the mechanisms of stem cell biology and tissue regeneration, holding potential implications for medical research and regenerative medicine. Through their ability to effectively rebuild their bodies, planarians demonstrate one of the most impressive examples of resilience and biological adaptation in the animal kingdom. Number 3. Tardigrades. Tardigrades, commonly known as water bears, exhibit an extraordinary ability to endure extreme conditions such as desiccation and freezing by entering a state known as cryptobiosis. In this state, they essentially halt their biological processes, including metabolism, to protect themselves from damage. During desiccation, tardigrades shrink into a dehydrated ball called a ton, expelling almost all the water from their bodies. This minimizes the risk of cellular damage that would typically occur from dehydration or the formation of ice crystals. Tardigrades can remain in this state for years until they encounter more favorable conditions. Similarly, when exposed to freezing temperatures, tardigrades replace water inside their cells with a protective sugar called trehalose, which prevents ice formation and preserves cell membranes. Once environmental conditions improve, tardigrades rehydrate and resume their normal metabolic activities. Their ability to survive such extreme environments underscores their remarkable resilience and has sparked interest among scientists for potential applications in fields such as biotechnology and space exploration. Number 4. Immortal jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish, scientifically known as Turritopsis dohrnii, possesses a remarkable ability to bypass death by reverting to earlier life stages. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to transform its adult cells into young, immature cells, effectively resetting its life cycle. When faced with adverse conditions or injury, Turritopsis dohrnii can revert from its adult medusa form back to its polyp form. This unique capability theoretically allows the jellyfish to potentially live indefinitely, cycling through stages of maturity and rejuvenation as needed. Studying Turritopsis dohrnii not only provides insights into the processes of aging and regeneration, but also challenges conventional ideas about mortality in organisms. Its ability to indefinitely renew itself highlights nature's adaptability and the diverse survival strategies found in the animal kingdom. This jellyfish serves as a fascinating example of how organisms can evolve extraordinary mechanisms to cope with environmental challenges, inspiring research in fields ranging from evolutionary biology to biotechnology. Number 5. Axolotls. Axolotls, fascinating amphibians native to Mexico, possess an extraordinary ability to regenerate lost body parts, including limbs, spinal cords, and even portions of their hearts and brains. This remarkable regenerative capacity stems from their unique ability to retain larval features throughout their adult lives, a trait known as neoteny. When an axolotl loses a limb or sustains injury, specialized cells called progenitor cells are activated at the site of injury. These cells rapidly proliferate and differentiate to form new tissues, effectively replacing what was lost. Unlike most other vertebrates, axolotls can regenerate complex structures without scar tissue formation, enabling them to fully restore functional limbs and organs. Scientists study axolotls to uncover the molecular and cellular mechanisms underlying their regenerative prowess, with the hope of applying these insights to human regenerative medicine. The axolotl's ability to regenerate such diverse tissues underscores its significance as a model organism for understanding regeneration and developmental biology. Number 6. Sea cucumbers. Sea cucumbers possess a unique defense mechanism. When threatened, they can eviscerate themselves by expelling their internal organs through their anus. This process, known as evisceration, serves as a distraction or deterrent to predators. Remarkably, sea cucumbers have the ability to regenerate these expelled organs over time, including structures like their respiratory trees and digestive systems. Evisceration in sea cucumbers exemplifies their adaptive survival strategy in response to predation threats in marine environments. It allows them to sacrifice and later regenerate essential organs, showcasing their remarkable resilience. Scientists study sea cucumbers not only for their intriguing regenerative abilities, but also to uncover the underlying mechanisms of tissue regeneration in marine organisms. These insights could potentially contribute to advancements in regenerative medicine and tissue engineering for human applications, leveraging nature's solutions to repair and replace damaged tissues effectively. Number 7. Starfish. Starfish exhibit remarkable regenerative abilities, capable of regenerating lost arms, and in some cases, an entire starfish can grow from a single arm if it contains part of the central disc. This regenerative capability is due to their ability to rapidly divide and differentiate cells at the site of the injury. When a starfish loses an arm, specialized cells called progenitor cells are activated, proliferating and differentiating to form new tissues and structures. This process allows them to fully restore their functionality and shape. Scientists study starfish regeneration for valuable insights into regenerative medicine and cellular biology. Understanding the mechanisms behind starfish regeneration could inform the development of advanced treatments for tissue repair and regeneration in humans. By unraveling the secrets of starfish regeneration, researchers hope to unlock new potential in medical science, leveraging these natural processes to improve healing and recovery in human health. Number 8. Sponges. Sponges possess an extraordinary ability to regenerate through a process called cellular totipotency. This remarkable process allows their cells to be disassembled into individual units and then reorganized into a complete sponge. When a sponge is broken down into its individual cells, these cells retain the ability to migrate, recognize each other, and reassemble into a functional organism. This capability enables sponges to survive severe damage and regenerate lost parts, showcasing their simple yet highly adaptable biological structure. Sponges' ability to reform from their cells makes them unique among multicellular organisms and a subject of significant interest in developmental biology. Scientists study sponges to gain insights into the mechanisms of cellular communication, differentiation, and regeneration. By understanding how sponges achieve such impressive feats of reorganization and regeneration, researchers hope to uncover fundamental principles that could inform regenerative medicine. This knowledge has the potential to advance the development of new therapeutic approaches for healing and tissue repair in humans, leveraging the natural regenerative capabilities observed in sponges. Number 9. Hydra. Hydras, small freshwater organisms, exhibit an extraordinary ability to regenerate their entire bodies from small pieces of tissue, owing to their high concentration of stem cells. These versatile stem cells possess the unique capability to divide and differentiate into any cell type required for regeneration. This regenerative prowess remains active throughout their lifespan, making hydras a pivotal subject in the field of regenerative biology. Scientists study hydras extensively to unravel the mechanisms underlying their perpetual regenerative capacity. By delving into how hydras maintain and deploy their stem cells for regeneration, researchers aspire to harness this knowledge for advancements in regenerative medicine. Insights gained from hydras provide crucial understanding of cellular differentiation, tissue organization, and the dynamics of stem cell populations, critical aspects for developing new therapeutic strategies to enhance healing and tissue regeneration in humans. Hydras thus serve not only as a model organism for exploring fundamental biological processes, but also as a source of inspiration for innovative approaches in medical science aimed at overcoming tissue damage and promoting recovery. Number 10. Salamanders. Salamanders possess an exceptional ability to regenerate lost limbs, tails, and even parts of their hearts and eyes. This regenerative process begins with the formation of a blastema at the injury site, where cells undergo dedifferentiation and proliferation to replace the lost tissues. This remarkable capability not only allows salamanders to heal from significant injuries, but also positions them as invaluable models for studying regeneration and tissue repair in vertebrates. Scientists study salamanders to uncover the cellular and molecular mechanisms underlying their regenerative abilities. By understanding how salamanders initiate and coordinate regeneration, researchers aim to apply these insights to enhance human regenerative medicine. Salamanders provide a unique perspective on tissue regeneration, offering lessons on cell plasticity, tissue remodeling, and the preservation of regenerative potential throughout life. Their ability to regenerate complex structures underscores their significance in biological research and inspires efforts to harness similar mechanisms for therapeutic applications in humans. Number 11. Sea anemone. Sea anemones demonstrate a remarkable ability to regenerate lost tentacles and other body parts through a process that involves both cellular regeneration and tissue remodeling. This unique capability allows them to recover swiftly from injuries and resume their predatory lifestyle in the marine environment. Their regenerative prowess makes sea anemones a subject of keen interest in marine biology and regenerative research. Scientists study how sea anemones initiate and complete their regeneration processes to gain insights into the fundamental principles of tissue repair and regeneration. These investigations not only deepen our understanding of marine organism biology, but also offer potential applications in regenerative medicine for humans. Sea anemones serve as valuable models for exploring the mechanisms of cellular plasticity, tissue reconstruction, and the maintenance of regenerative potential across different biological contexts. Understanding these processes could pave the way for innovative approaches to enhancing tissue repair and promoting regeneration in medical science. Number 12. Box jellyfish. Box jellyfish exhibit a remarkable ability to survive severe injuries and regenerate lost parts of their bodies through a simple yet effective regenerative system. This capability enables them to recover quickly from damage inflicted in the harsh marine environment where they encounter numerous threats. The regenerative prowess of box jellyfish underscores their resilience and adaptation to their marine habitat. Scientists are intrigued by the mechanisms behind their regenerative abilities, studying how these creatures initiate and complete the regeneration process. Insights gained from studying box jellyfish could potentially inform advancements in regenerative medicine and tissue engineering, offering new strategies for healing and recovery in humans. By unraveling the secrets of box jellyfish regeneration, researchers aim to unlock the fundamental principles that enable these organisms to repair and regenerate tissues efficiently. This knowledge could lead to innovative approaches for enhancing human health and well-being through the application of natural regenerative mechanisms observed in marine organisms. Number 13. Flathead sea slugs. Flathead sea slugs possess an extraordinary ability to survive decapitation and regenerate their entire bodies, including their hearts. This remarkable feat is made possible by their high regenerative capacity, which enables them to recover from severe injuries inflicted in their marine habitat. The study of flathead sea slugs' regenerative mechanisms holds significant interest in the fields of regeneration and developmental biology. Scientists investigate how these sea slugs initiate and execute their regeneration processes, aiming to uncover fundamental principles of tissue repair and regeneration. Insights gained from studying these organisms could potentially contribute to advancements in regenerative medicine and tissue engineering for human health. Flathead sea slugs exemplify nature's resilience and adaptability, offering valuable lessons on cellular plasticity, tissue remodeling, and the maintenance of regenerative potential. Understanding their regenerative abilities may inspire innovative approaches to promoting healing and recovery in medical science. Number 14. Comb jellies. Comb jellies, also known as sea ctenophores, possess a remarkable ability to regenerate lost body parts, including tentacles and portions of their digestive systems. This regenerative capacity enables them to recover swiftly from injuries and maintain their predatory efficiency in the marine environment. Scientists study the regenerative mechanisms of comb jellyfish with great interest due to their unique biological properties and evolutionary significance. By investigating how comb jellyfish initiate and execute their regeneration processes, researchers aim to uncover the fundamental principles of tissue repair and regeneration. These insights not only deepen our understanding of ctenophore biology, but also hold potential implications for regenerative medicine and tissue engineering in humans. Comb jellyfish exemplify nature's adaptability and resilience, offering valuable insights into cellular plasticity, tissue remodeling, and the maintenance of regenerative potential. Understanding their regenerative abilities may inspire innovative approaches to enhancing healing and recovery in medical science, leveraging natural mechanisms observed in marine organisms. Number 15. Brittle stars. Brittle stars, a type of echinoderm, exhibit a remarkable ability to regenerate lost arms and parts of their central discs. This regenerative capability plays a crucial role in their survival, enabling them to recover from predatory attacks and physical damage in their marine habitats. The study of brittle stars' regenerative processes offers valuable insights into the broader regenerative capacities of echinoderms. Scientists investigate how brittle stars initiate and execute their regeneration, aiming to uncover fundamental principles of tissue repair and regeneration in these marine organisms. Number 16. Sea squirts. Sea squirts, also known as tunicates, possess an extraordinary ability to regenerate their entire bodies from small pieces of tissue, including their nervous systems. This remarkable feat is made possible by their high regenerative capacity, enabling them to recover swiftly from severe injuries incurred in their marine environment. The study of sea squirts' regenerative mechanisms holds significant interest in the fields of developmental biology and regeneration. Scientists explore how sea squirts initiate and execute their regeneration processes, seeking to uncover fundamental principles of tissue repair and regeneration. Insights gained from studying these organisms could potentially contribute to advancements in regenerative medicine and tissue engineering for human health. Sea squirts exemplify nature's resilience and adaptability, offering valuable lessons on cellular plasticity, tissue remodeling, and the maintenance of regenerative potential. Understanding their regenerative abilities may inspire innovative approaches to promoting healing and recovery in medical science, leveraging natural mechanisms observed in marine organisms. Number 17. Cuttlefish. Certain cephalopods, such as cuttlefish, possess remarkable regenerative abilities, allowing them to regenerate lost arms and other appendages. These marine mollusks are known for their color-changing capabilities and complex behaviors. When injured by predators or through accidental damage, cuttlefish can shed damaged arms as a defense mechanism, similar to other cephalopods. Over time, they regenerate these lost arms, restoring their functionality for hunting, locomotion, and camouflage. The regenerative process in cuttlefish relies on the rapid proliferation of specialized cells. These cells accumulate at the site of the injury and differentiate to form new tissues, ultimately rebuilding the lost appendage. This capability ensures that cuttlefish can maintain their predatory efficiency and adaptability in their marine environments. Scientists study cuttlefish regeneration to gain insights into the cellular and molecular mechanisms underlying this process. Understanding how cuttlefish achieve such effective regeneration could inform advancements in regenerative medicine and tissue engineering, potentially leading to new therapies for tissue repair and recovery in humans. The study of cuttlefish offers a fascinating glimpse into the natural processes of regeneration, highlighting the incredible adaptability of these unique marine creatures. Number 18. Gobies. Gobies, small fish found in marine and freshwater environments, possess impressive regenerative abilities, including the capacity to regenerate lost fin rays. This ability allows them to recover from injuries caused by predators or environmental stresses. Gobies play vital roles in aquatic ecosystems as both prey and predators. When their fins are damaged, gobies can regenerate the fin rays, restoring their swimming capabilities. This regenerative process is facilitated by specialized cells that proliferate and differentiate to replace the lost structures. Researchers study gobies to understand the genetic and cellular mechanisms underlying their regeneration. By investigating how gobies regenerate tissues, scientists aim to apply this knowledge to regenerative medicine and tissue engineering. The insights gained from these studies could potentially lead to new treatments for human injuries and degenerative diseases. The regenerative capabilities of gobies offer a valuable model for developing innovative approaches to enhance human health and well-being, leveraging natural processes observed in these resilient fish. Number 19. Ragworms. Ragworms, marine annelids found in coastal environments, exhibit remarkable regenerative abilities, capable of regrowing lost body parts such as heads and segments after injury. This capacity is vital for their survival in dynamic marine ecosystems. When a ragworm suffers damage, specialized cells known as neoblasts rapidly proliferate and differentiate, replacing lost tissues and ensuring the worm's continued function. Scientists study ragworms to uncover the genetic and cellular mechanisms behind their impressive regeneration. By investigating how neoblasts and other regenerative processes operate in ragworms, researchers aim to apply this knowledge to regenerative medicine and tissue engineering. Insights gained from ragworm regeneration could potentially enhance human tissue regeneration techniques, advance wound healing treatments, and contribute to therapies for degenerative diseases. Ragworms provide a valuable model for understanding natural regenerative processes, offering potential applications in biomedical research to improve human health and well-being. Studying these resilient marine annelids may lead to innovative approaches in tissue repair and regeneration, harnessing the biological strategies that allow ragworms to thrive in challenging environments. Number 20. Alligators. Alligators exhibit a remarkable regenerative ability, particularly in their tails, where they can regenerate muscles, cartilage, and nerves lost to injury or predation. This capability supports their balance, mobility, and defense mechanisms in natural habitats. Researchers study alligator tail regeneration to uncover the genetic and cellular processes involved, aiming to apply these insights to human regenerative medicine. Understanding the mechanisms behind alligator regeneration could inspire new approaches in tissue engineering and treatments for injuries involving muscle, cartilage, and nerve damage in humans. By investigating how alligators harness their regenerative potential, scientists hope to unlock principles that could advance medical treatments, enhancing our ability to heal and recover from injuries that affect mobility and function. Studying alligators provides a unique perspective on natural regenerative processes, offering potential applications in biomedical research for improving human health and well-being. Number 21. Xenopus frogs. Xenopus frogs, especially the African clawed frog, Xenopus laevis, showcase remarkable regenerative abilities. These amphibians can regenerate lost limbs, spinal cords, and portions of their hearts and eyes, highlighting their potential as model organisms for studying regeneration. Researchers use Xenopus frogs to delve into the molecular and genetic mechanisms underpinning their regenerative prowess. By understanding how these frogs regenerate tissues, scientists aim to advance regenerative medicine. Insights from Xenopus studies could lead to potential treatments for spinal cord injuries, heart disease, and eye conditions in humans. The regenerative capabilities of Xenopus frogs offer valuable insights into natural healing processes that could be leveraged to enhance human tissue repair and healing strategies. Studying these amphibians provides a promising avenue for developing innovative therapies and interventions aimed at improving human health and well-being through the application of regenerative biology. Number 22. Zebrafish. Zebrafish, small freshwater fish renowned for their exceptional regenerative abilities, can regenerate lost fins, spinal cords, hearts, and even parts of their brains. This makes them a crucial model organism for investigating regeneration and developmental biology. Scientists are deeply interested in unraveling the genetic and cellular mechanisms that allow zebrafish to regenerate complex tissues without scarring. Insights from zebrafish research hold promise for advancing human regenerative medicine. Potential applications include developing treatments for spinal cord injuries, heart disease, and neurological conditions. Understanding zebrafish regeneration could lead to innovative therapies that harness the natural healing processes observed in these fish. By studying how zebrafish achieve such remarkable regeneration, researchers aim to translate these findings into practical medical applications that improve human health and quality of life. Number 23. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers demonstrate impressive regenerative abilities, notably the capability to regenerate lost legs. When a grasshopper loses a leg due to predation or injury, specialized cells in the remaining stump undergo rapid proliferation and differentiation to replace the lost limb. This regenerative process plays a crucial role in helping grasshoppers maintain mobility and evade predators, ensuring their survival in diverse environments. Researchers study grasshoppers to delve into the genetic and cellular mechanisms that underpin their regenerative prowess. By gaining insights into how grasshoppers regenerate limbs, scientists aim to apply this knowledge to regenerative medicine and tissue engineering. Understanding the intricate processes of grasshopper regeneration could potentially inspire innovative approaches for healing and repairing human tissues, offering new avenues for treating injuries and degenerative diseases. The study of grasshoppers offers a valuable perspective on natural regeneration in insects, providing potential insights and applications in biomedical research aimed at enhancing human health and well-being through harnessing biological mechanisms observed in these resilient creatures. Number 24. Newts. Newts, a type of salamander, are celebrated for their remarkable regenerative capabilities. They can regenerate entire limbs, spinal cords, hearts, and even parts of their eyes, making them invaluable for studying regeneration in scientific research. One of the most fascinating aspects of newt regeneration is their ability to replace complex tissues without scarring. This process is facilitated by their immune system and the presence of specialized cells known as blastema cells, which orchestrate the regeneration of lost structures. Scientists are actively exploring the molecular and genetic mechanisms underlying newt regeneration. Understanding these mechanisms could pave the way for significant advancements in human regenerative medicine. Potential applications include developing treatments for spinal cord injuries, heart disease, and other conditions that involve tissue damage. The study of newt regeneration not only sheds light on the natural processes of tissue repair, but also holds promise for inspiring innovative approaches to healing and repairing human tissues. Number 25. Geckos. Geckos exhibit remarkable regenerative abilities, particularly in their ability to regenerate lost tails. When a gecko loses its tail, typically to escape a predator, specialized cells in the remaining stump rapidly proliferate and differentiate to replace the lost structure. The regenerated tail may differ in color and texture from the original, but it restores functionality crucial for balance and defense. Scientists study geckos to unravel the genetic and cellular mechanisms that drive their impressive regeneration. By investigating these processes, researchers aim to apply insights from gecko regeneration to advance regenerative medicine and tissue engineering. Understanding how geckos regenerate their tails could inspire innovative approaches for healing and repairing human tissues. That's all for today. Join us next time for more fascinating insights into the wonders of the animal kingdom. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on nature's extraordinary feats. Thank you for watching.